How to turn off Meta AI on Facebook. In this video, we're talking about something a lot of Facebook users are asking. How do you turn off Meta AI? Whether it's the AI suggestions, the new search assistant, or the chatbot popping up, here's what you need to know. Make sure you watch to the very end to know all the steps you can take to turn off Meta AI. First off, let's be real. As of right now, you can't completely disable Meta AI across Facebook. It's baked into the platform. But you can limit how much it interferes with your experience by changing a few settings. Here's how to reduce it. Number 1. Avoid asking questions in the search bar. That's what triggers Meta AI replies. Number 2. Close or mute the AI chat in Messenger if it pops up. Number 3. Go to Settings, Add Preferences, Add Settings, and limit how much Meta uses your activity. Number 4. Clear your off Facebook activity under Settings, Activity Log, to cut down on personalized AI suggestions. Meta hasn't given us a full off switch yet, but these tweaks help a lot. If they roll out a real disable option, I'll post an update. So drop a comment if this helped. And that is how you turn off Meta AI on Facebook.